Hi everyone! Today I am going to cook a braised meat dish and it's called Pongteh. You can use chicken or pork, but today I will be using pork belly. It is a stewed dish that uses fermented soybean, shallots, and also potato. But I will be marinating this dish first, preferably overnight, and I will blend the spices and cook it together with the meat. So what I'm going to show you today is this pork belly. So you actually buy a big piece. You'll be cutting it into strips and then into small 1-inch cubes. So I'm going to show you how I actually do this. Now that we have cut up the meat, I am going to marinate it. So we need 1.5 tablespoons of dark soy. This is for the color. 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, which provides the saltiness. 2 teaspoons of sugar, sweetness, and 1 teaspoon of cornflour. So we're just going to mix this up now and let it sit for a few hours, but preferably overnight. So now I'm going to prepare the spices, which comprises of about 8 shallots, 1.5-inch ginger, coriander whole, but I'm actually going to pound it. Ordinarily, I would use coriander powder, but because I don't have any in my pantry today. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of fermented soybean, and a teaspoon of pepper. Okay, we are done. After 1 hour of cooking over a hot stove, we serve it with some rice, and I've garnished it with some spring onions. You don't really need to garnish it, I'm just trying to make it pretty. Till I see you again next week, bye!